Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a zigzag pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly we'll import the required libraries. So NumPy is used to generate numerical arrays, whereas matplotlib.pyplot is used to create and display the zigzag plot here. And now we'll define the number of zigzag points. So here change this for more or fewer zigzags. So the variable size determines the number of points in the zigzag pattern. Increasing this value makes the zigzag longer. So now we'll create the x and y coordinates. So here this is the x coordinate which starts from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and goes on. And now we'll create the y coordinates. So these are alternate y values where 1 0 1 0 and it continues. So here np.arrange, this generates an array from 0 1 2 to size -1 representing evenly spaced x coordinates, and np.where this assigns alternating y values. If x is even, y is equals to 1, and if x is odd, then y is equals to 0. This creates the zigzag effect. So now we'll create figure and axis. So here plt.subplots, this creates a figure and an axis ax. So here figure size 6 by 4 makes the plot 6 inches wide and 4 inches tall. So now we'll plot the zigzag pattern. So here plt.plot xy, this plots the zigzag pattern, and marker is equals to O adds circular marks at each point, and line style connects the points with a solid line. Color is equals to orange, make the line in orange color. Marker size is equals to 8. Here this controls the size of the circles, and line width is equals to 2, makes the line thicker. So now we'll adjust the axis for a clean look. So here x limit ensures the x-axis starts a little before 0 and ends at size, and y limit ensures the y-axis has enough space above and below the zigzag. So here ax dot set x ticks removes the x-axis tick marks, and ax dot set y ticks removes the y-axis tick marks, and set frame hides the frame for a clean look. So now we'll add a plot title. And at last we'll display the plot. And now we can check this. So here we can see a zigzag pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.